Hi guys! By now it's clear that AI has taken over the world and the art community is no exception. Creativity seems to have lost its human touch. But if we could do something that AI can't, at least not today, create something using only our hands and our imagination. So we made these 300 plus drawings on paper to make a hand-drawn animation. This is the story of a naga warrior who must test his true dignity as a warrior. But this isn't just any story, it's a story that was brought to life by over 300 hand-drawn sketches, meticulously crafted into a stop-motion animation. In a world where AI can generate high-quality images with ease, it's easy to forget the value of human touch. But I hope this short animation reminds us that there is something truly special about art that is created by hand. Every stroke of pencil, every frame of the animation is a testament to the power of human creativity. I hope this serves as a reminder that even in a world where AI seems to reign supreme, there is still a place for human creativity. And who knows, perhaps one day, we will find a way to merge the power of AI with the magic of human imagination to create something truly extraordinary. Not to mention, this video was also created using the help of an AI. It's not something truly epic, but I hope you guys enjoy. Behold, the Naga warrior, fierce and brave, a symbol of courage in the face of adversity. He can defeat countless foes, laying waste to armies of brave nations that dare stand in his way. But even the mightiest heroes face temptation. The lure of power and wealth can corrupt even the strongest of youth. Yet, the Naga warrior stands firm, for he knows that true strength comes not from silver or gold, but from the honor and dignity that lies within you.
What? What the fuck?
Few moments later. 2,000 years later. One eternity later.